When you've been injured, whether it's a car accident, slip and fall, you've been bit by some crazy dog, and what happens when you're injured is your life is turned upside down. And what you need to do is you need advice. You need to know what to do next. You need to document everything. You need to document how it happened. You need to make sure that if there's any pertinent witnesses, that they're, contacted. You need to make sure that you have photographs of an incident, perhaps. You need to have photographs of your injuries. You need to make sure that all your injuries are medically documented. And this is very important because when it comes down to being compensated, the insurance companies, for instance, they're not looking after your back. I hate to use that word, but they basically, you're a number to them. It's really important that that's articulated properly through guidance, and that's what our firm provides. It provides guidance. We don't want you to be injured twice. You get the injury, now what you need is a competent professional firm, like my firm, Ryan and Associates, to make sure that you get the proper advice.
When my arms were fractured, both of them at the same time, my life changed dramatically. I had thought about not suing, but my family and my friends said, "You deserve some compensation for their negligence." And so I contacted Mr. Ryan through a very close family friend. I've been so thankful for all the work that he and his staff have done.
I think it's very important that you look for a lawyer is experienced, a lawyer that has a track record. And what also is important is that you feel comfortable with your lawyer, making sure that your lawyer is the type of person that you can call anytime, 24 hours a day, and consult with your lawyer. And that's really important. If you can't get a hold of your lawyer, that individual, he or she, is not going to do you any good. You want to make sure that your lawyer is available to address any of your needs, because initially in this scenario where you get hurt, you're going to have a lot of questions. You need a lawyer that's had jury trials. You need a lawyer that's been involved in the business for a long time. You need a lawyer that's been in a lot of different organizations. You have to have a lawyer that's going to get you the maximum compensation on your case.
If a friend of mine or relative or anybody that I cared about or knew of that had been injured, I would totally recommend Tim Ryan Associates.